Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a root symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a root symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I'm just going to show two different things. If you are just going inside the insert option, there is no symbol option here. So you can use your you can use your Windows keyboard shortcut. The Windows keyboard shortcut for this was Alt key with 251. So you just want to press the Alt key with 251 and it creates a root symbol. You just want to press the Alt key first and just type as 251 on your number, leave the key, it automatically created. The same process can be create the root symbol like this. The second way is you just want to open your Windows plus dot. So press the Windows key, press dot symbol on your keyboard, it automatically opens the symbol option, symbol dialog box. So here you can find a root symbol from the lot of symbols here. So you can find the root symbol in the symbol options here and you can just insert it. These are the two ways or two methods that you can insert the root symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet in next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.